So, on a day like any other, I was grinding primaries on Phantom Forces, and while playing with a shotgun, a thought came to my mind. What is the largest ammo capacity shotgun in this game? On normal ammo capacities, we could see something like 14, 8, even 25, but I don't really find this to be a shotgun, so I'm not really going to talk much about it. Personally, I don't consider the E-gun to be a shotgun. It feels much more like an SMG to me than anything else. That's why this video isn't about this gun. And 10. Okay, these are normal ammo capacities, but what if we turn that up to 11? What if we modify this gun to become the largest ammo capacity shotgun in this game? So, how we do this is firstly, we need the KSG-25 barrel, which makes it add plus 12 bullets to the whole chamber. For ammo, we need one of these two, either a mini slug or a mini shell. Now, as you can see by the stats, they're really depressing, but it's still pretty good. I tried it out a little, you should see for yourself. As you can see, the gun is like really long, and honestly, the decreased damage is not really a huge problem when taking into consideration how fast the shotgun becomes. KSG-12 is already like a really fast shotgun, but it becomes even faster after you add the mini shells. Okay, I wouldn't really be surprised if I couldn't kill a person with one bullet, since overall the KSG-12 is like a very spammy shotgun in my opinion. It doesn't have much range to begin with, so why not ruin it even harder? The thing that's like insane for me is how this thing can still kill with one bullet if you're close enough. Well, since I'm not a stat guy, I just kinda wanted to see if it's good or not. And like, no one's really talking about the mini shells from what I've seen. Keep in mind that if you're gonna use this setup, don't really try to snipe with it unless you're using sluggers. Okay, it took 9 shells just to kill that guy. Yeah, this does not have any range, but it's still like really fun, especially if you're up in people's faces. That's when it's like really good. Honestly, if you wanna run around with a shotgun that's not really overpowered, this is it. This is basically the COD shotgun, just that it's fast and it has a lot of ammo capacity. Like, you have to get up really close into other people's faces to actually kill them. This thing is fun if you would be playing on close range maps, like maybe the warehouse or that prison map I completely forgot the name of. Yeah, this isn't the greatest map for this gun. I kinda wanna see what it's like with the mini slugs. Although, at this point, slugs are not that good. Slugs are good in general. Why have slugs when you have sniper rifles? Anyway, here's my stats on Desert, was it Rising Storm I think it's called? Like the revamp of Desert Storm? Let's try another map. Which I will fast forward since it came out really uninteresting and it made me lose some brain cells because of how sweaty it was. So enjoy the shitty time lapse instead. I'm sure you understood everything that happened in this 22-second time lapse. After I died to this guy on the billboard, I decided to try and leave the server. Here's how that went. No. Please don't leave the server. No! No, this server's fucking haunting me. Please don't be the same. It's the safes! What the? How is this possible? No! No. I am going to the server browser. Okay, this map might actually be good for this gun. Okay, that still took like 5 bullets. It's actually 7. With 8. 8 bullets, what the fuck? If you're in the people's face, this is good. Yeah, so is every other shotgun. Oh, what was that lag? I'm surprised how that actually went. Wow, who would have thought a shotgun is good if people don't shoot at you? Yeah, at first I thought, oh shit, oh, whoa. This mini shells, 40 ammo capacity? Whoa, that is like good and amazing. No. Unless you're in the person's face, but then why even bother? What is this man doing? Okay. 46 kills and 13 deaths. To some, it might be really good. To others, it might be really mid. And to others, it might be bad. To me, it's between mid and bad. And that's what this shotgun is. Did we learn anything today? I don't think so. Oh, okay. Maybe one thing. Don't get mini shells unless you're in people's faces. I'm sorry for wasting your time. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video somehow, which I don't even understand how you would enjoy something like this, and you want to see more, hit that like button, and that subscribe button, and the little comment thing. Hit the comment. Yeah, I'll see you later. Maybe.